This is the best AI video editor that you can use for your content creation so far. It has everything that you need to create content. When I say everything, I mean every single thing. AI voice, AI image, AI videos, AI sound effects, and most importantly, you can edit any style of video using this. YouTube videos, commercial videos, or any type of complex editing. Today, I'm talking about Filmora Video Editor. They recently added their AI capabilities to their video editor. Let me show you how to use these AI capabilities and make videos. One thing I like about Filmora Editor is that this one tool offers all the services, so I don't have to go to several AI tools and get their subscriptions. If you use the link in the description, you can download Filmora 14 to your device. I'm using the desktop version. Here's the editing dashboard. If you go to this toolbox option, you can access all the AI tools that this editor offers. My favorite one is this, an AI idea for a video feature. With this tool, we can easily create AI short videos with consistent characters. Let me try this first. So I added this simple prompt just to try something cool. Create a short story about a man named Alex. His plane crashed into the Amazon rainforest, and he is the only survivor. Then we can select the duration of this video. Let's add around 30 seconds. Then I'm going to select the language of this video as English, and we have several styles like realistic, anime, and comic. First, let's try this realistic style, and then select the Generate AI script option. It will take several seconds, and then you will come to this page. Okay, here, you can see that we have several scenes, and they have explained what is going to happen in that specific scene. Now, you can either upload an image for this or generate a new image using AI. If you click this option, you can see the prompt to create an image for this specific scene. Now let's create it. Okay, here are the two images I got. You can select which one you prefer. Later, this tool will convert this image to a video, and if you scroll down, you can create the main character of this video. This is the prompt that has been used to describe that character. Just like before, you can either upload an image of the character or generate it using AI. So, if you don't like the prompt you got, you can change it. For this example, I'm going to use this prompt as it is. And here are the two character images I got. Now, this tool will use the same character for the whole video. Then, make sure to select a suitable AI voice for this character, and you can adjust the video settings here. Let's select this 9:16 aspect ratio and generate a video. It might take several minutes to complete the process, and then you will come to this editing dashboard. As you can see here, video clips, voiceovers, and all the other sound effects have been added to the timeline. You can edit these any way you prefer, and that's how easy it is to make AI videos with Filmora. I made a similar long-form content, and let's take a look at it.
Jake wakes up, disoriented and injured, surrounded by wreckage. With a torn backpack and a half-burned map, Jake starts his trek. Days pass, and Jake starts seeing hallucinations of lost loved ones. Hunger drives Jake to scavenge for food. Jake finds a small village, where the villagers offer food and shelter. Jake reflects on his journey and plans his return to civilization.
After everything is done, you can click the export button and export the full video. As I mentioned earlier, this tool is an all-in-one AI tool. Click this export option, and you will see this thumbnail tool here. Click the edit button, and you will come to this page. Now you can select any frame of your video to use as a thumbnail. I'm going to select this frame. As you can see here, they have provided several categories and styles. You can use these templates as well. I'm just going to add a text layer to this and edit the text layer to stand out more using these settings. Just like this, you can create a thumbnail for your videos as well. Then you can directly connect your YouTube channel or TikTok page to this tool and upload directly from here. Or you can just export the video to your device. Now let's say you are doing a separate project and you need to generate some AI voiceovers for your video. Well, that's easy. You just need to go to this, audio from the top menu, and select the text-to-speech feature. These are the voices that you can select, and if you want to clone your voice and use it in your videos, you can do that with this AI voice cloning feature. You just need to record your voice on this. So once you select your voice, you just need to copy the text to here, and this tool will generate the voiceovers within a few seconds. Another useful AI tool is this AI sound effects feature. You can use this AI sound effect feature to generate any sound effects for your video. You just need to type the sound you want and generate it. For this example, I'm going to type something like this: people are walking in a mall, and let's see the results. As we can see here, we have 3 results. Let's check these. Those three are actually realistic, and the quality is also perfect. Just like this, you can generate all the sound effects and use those in your video. And they have a library of background music that you can use for your videos without any copyright issues, and you can also use this AI music feature to generate background music using AI power. Another tool I normally use for my content creation is this AI text-to-video feature, where your script can turn into a video. You can use this feature for categories like motivational videos and explainer videos. Let me show you how to do that. Go to this AI toolbox and select the AI text-to-video feature. Now you can add your video script here. This is a video script of a motivational video I created. Then you can select your language then. You need to select an AI voice to narrate this video. And finally, select the preferred size for your video, and that's all. Filmora will generate a full video for this specific script. It's super easy and very helpful. And it only took several minutes, and the video is already completed with suitable stock videos, sound effects, and background music. Even the subtitles are completed. You can edit these subtitles by changing the font style, size, and adding some cool text effects like this. Not only that, if you go to this Animations tab, you can add text animations to these subtitles as well. Now let's say if you want to add some AI images or AI videos to this timeline, all you need to do is go to the stock media from the top menu and select the AI media option. Under this AI images option, you can easily generate images. You just need to enter the prompt here and generate it. As you can see, I asked it to generate some images about a man jogging. These are the results I got. Now, if you go to this image to video feature, you will be able to see a lot of templates that you can use to generate videos. For example, if you take this template, you can upload 2 character images, and those characters hug like this. So, these are several useful AI video templates that you can use for your videos. If you choose this custom option, you can upload an image and convert it into a video. I'm going to add the image to this, and make sure to select the aspect ratio to match the video, and let's convert it into a video. Here's the video I got. This is actually amazing. So just like this, you can use this feature and add AI videos to your main video. You can also use this character in a video feature, where you can upload an image of any specific character and create videos with a consistent character. So I'm going to use this image as the character reference, and let's make him drive a motorcycle. So let's just enter a simple prompt like this. Here's the video I got, and it's amazing. So just like this, you can complete your video by using these AI features. Let's see the final output I got for my motivational video script.
Every time you hit snooze, scroll TikTok for inspo, or wait for the right moment. You just stabbed your dream in the throat. And the worst part, you call it self-care. You think you're chasing something big. But what you're really doing is stalling. Convincing yourself that planning, researching, overthinking is progress. It's not.
So that's how you can use Filmora Editor for your content creation journey. With that, today's video has come to an end. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next video.